What's the value of 21 divided by 7 times 12 divided by 4? This short expression looks innocent, but it splits people into two groups, each convinced they're right. Let's see why. As soon as people see the bracket, PEMDAS immediately flashes in their mind. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And they assume that once parentheses are gone, multiplication must come before division. So here's what they do. They first solve inside the bracket. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. That gives 21 divided by 7 times 3, or simply 21 divided by 7 times 3. Then, thinking multiplication comes before division, they multiply 7 and 3 first. 7 times 3 equals 21. Now they have 21 divided by 21, which gives 1. That seems neat, but it's actually wrong. PEMDAS never said multiplication comes before division. Multiplication and division share the same rank. You just do them from left to right. The same holds for addition and subtraction. So what's the correct way? Let's follow both. The order of operations and left to right for equals. Start with the parentheses first. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Now the expression is 21 divided by 7 times 3. Division and multiplication are equals, so we go left to right. First, divide 21 by 7, that's 3, then multiply by 3, and we get 9. That's the correct answer. 9, not 1. So, what was your answer before watching this? Be honest, and drop it in the comments. And hey, if you enjoy these quick little math challenges, don't forget to subscribe for more. You'll find plenty of puzzles like this one. Simple looking, but always with a clever twist.